Hey, it's Marco and I'm going to show you how to make macro photos on your iPhone. But before I show you how to do that, please subscribe to my channel. So open up your camera app, and if I start to zoom in, you can see that it's all blurry, but it automatically switches to the camera. And all you have to do is just get super close to it, and that's it. If you want to be extra sure, click on the 0.5 and then zoom in again, and this will work even much better, as you can see. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what is the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.